there are 4 letters and 4 envelopes, and exactly one letter is to be put in exactly one envelope with correct address. If the letters are randomly inserted into the envelopes, then consider the following statement. So here it says that we have 4 letters. Let's say these letters are A, B, C and D. So A, B, C, D are 4 letters. Now you have 4 envelopes. Let's assume that 1, 2, 3 and 4 are our envelopes. And let's say that A has to go in envelope number 1. B has to go in envelope number 2. C has to go in envelope number 3 and D has to go in envelope number 4. Let's say this is the correct sequence. Now let's read the first statement. First statement says that it is possible that exactly one letter goes into an incorrect envelope. Now let's say that A goes into the incorrect envelope. Let's say we put A into the envelope number 2. So that's incorrect. So let's say C and D goes into the correct envelopes. So C is in 3 and D is in 4 envelope number 4. Okay. So since I have put A in the incorrect envelope, B also has to go into the incorrect envelope, right? There is no other option. That means we cannot actually make exactly one incorrect. If one of the letter is incorrect, one more letter will become incorrect, right? So this is wrong because we cannot. It is not possible that exactly one letter goes into a wrong envelope. If one goes into wrong envelope, one more will go into the wrong envelope. Now let's take the second statement here. Second statement says that there are only 6 ways in which only 2 letters can go into the correct envelope. So 2 letters have to go into the correct envelope. Now let's say that A and B goes into the correct envelope and C and D are wrong. That is one possibility. Now let's say that A and C goes into the correct envelope. Then other B and D goes into the wrong envelope. So that is another possibility. Now A and D goes into the correct envelope and others go into the wrong envelope. That is another possibility. Now B and C is a possibility because B and A we have already taken here. So B and C is a possibility. B and D going correct is a possibility. Similarly, C and D going correct is a possibility. So these are the different possibilities of exactly 2 letters going into the correct envelope, right? So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possibilities are there. So this is actually correct. So option B, 2 only is the correct answer here. Okay.